What are the top resources to learn cybersecurity like a pro, but without spending thousands of dollars? Welcome to Secure CyberMart. Here are 13 books to become a cybersecurity master. Book number 1, CompTIA Security Plus SY0701 Certification Guide. Helps prepare for the Security Plus certification exam with comprehensive coverage. Book number 2, Cybersecurity for Dummies. An accessible guide for beginners to understand cybersecurity basics. Book number 3, Cybersecurity Ops with Bash. Attack, defend, and analyze from the command line. Focuses on securing Linux systems with practical techniques. Book number 4, The CERT Guide to Insider Threats. Details strategies to mitigate insider threats with real-world case studies. Book number 5, Countdown to Zero Day. Stuxnet and the launch of the world's first digital weapon. Explores the Stuxnet worm and offers insights into cyber warfare. Book number 6, Ethical Hacking, a hands-on introduction to breaking in. Introduces hacking basics, ideal for those new to ethical hacking. Book number 7, Network Security, private communication in a public world. Covers network security, including encryption and authentication. Book number 8, The Art of Deception, controlling the human element of security. Focuses on social engineering and protection strategies. Book number 9, Applied Cryptography, the Handbook for Practitioners, a classic guide on implementing secure cryptographic systems. Book number 10, Cybersecurity Essentials, practical tools for today's digital defenders. Covers fundamentals like risk management and incident response. Book number 11, Black Hat Python, Python programming for hackers and pen testers, 2nd edition. Teaches Python for cybersecurity tasks like hacking and penetration testing. Book number 12, The Web Application Hacker's Handbook, Finding and Exploiting Security Flaws. Details web application security and vulnerability exploitation. Book number 13, Threat Modeling, Designing for Security. Provides a systematic approach to identifying and mitigating security threats. Have you ever wondered if learning cybersecurity is worth your time? With the cybersecurity industry projected to exceed $2.75 trillion between 2025 and 2029, now is the perfect time to explore this field. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts a staggering 32% growth in information security analyst jobs over the next decade. Cybersecurity matters now, more than ever. As our reliance on technology grows, so does the risk to lose our data. Cyber threats are more sophisticated and frequent, making having skilled professionals on our side essential. While entering this field can feel overwhelming, with the proper understanding, it's one of the best investments you can make. As technology advances, we see newer threats emerging. The financial impact of cyber attacks is on the rise, and organizations are struggling to cope. For instance, a data breach's average cost skyrockets to $4.88 million in high-skills shortage areas. As organizations face these dangers, the demand for cybersecurity experts increases. However, beginner cybersecurity students face several challenges. Technical knowledge barriers, information overload, and rapidly evolving threats can create confusion. Each beginner must find the right learning path, tailored to their goals. But fear not, success in cybersecurity is achievable. Essential skills include understanding security domains, like cloud security, network security, and developing both technical and soft skills. Learning programming languages, like Python enhances problem-solving capabilities and prepares one for this dynamic field. If you are a cybersecurity beginner, we've compiled a list of recommended resources that you can find in the description below. We advise you to get books covering topics like ethical hacking, risk management, and insider threats. These foundational texts offer structured guidance, making the complex world of cybersecurity more accessible. Before embarking on this journey, consider the commitment required. Cybersecurity is a long-term investment. Initial progress might seem slow, but the long-term career opportunities and salary potentials, such as earning up to $250K as a Chief Information Security Officer, reflect worth. Cybersecurity is ideal for those who enjoy problem-solving and continuous learning. If you are passionate about protecting data, this field is for you. However, if you seek quick results with minimal effort, be prepared for a challenging experience. Ultimately, learning cybersecurity is not a waste of time. It's an investment into a resilient career filled with opportunities. and high demand for skilled workers. As the digital landscape evolves, you can be part of the solution by building essential protective strategies against cyber threats. Now is the time to take action. Start your cybersecurity journey today using the recommended learning resources. Embrace the mindset of continuous improvement to excel in a field ripe with possibilities. Join a thriving community dedicated to safeguard our digital world and building a successful career. Don't forget to check the links for the recommended books below. Your support helps us. We participate in the Amazon Associates program, which means we may earn a commission from qualifying purchases made through the links in this article. Your purchase does not cost you any extra. Instead, it helps cover the costs of running this channel, so we can keep delivering content we are passionate about. We genuinely appreciate your support. Continue creating informative content with us. Let's empower ourselves with cybersecurity knowledge together. Thank you for watching.